Here I've got Sharp C10 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery, and here you will notice power saving mode. Simply click on it, and if you truly want to reduce the brightness and extend your battery life, simply click on start now. And that's it. As you can see, now your device is in power saving mode, so it will definitely last a bit longer. And then if you would like to switch off this mode, simply click on disable. You can also use limit power saving, so it's for some extreme situation as only a few applications will be allowed there, but if you want to apply it, click on limit power saving. This is how it will look like. It will have dark mode and you will also only have the 4 applications allowed. If you want to have it, click on open now. And as you can see, here it is. This is the maximum power saving mode, and once you want to switch it off, tap on this exit icon and now confirm that you would like to switch it off. You can also have a quick access to the power saving mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and locate the icon. Here it is, so simply click on limit power saver, and now we are in this mode. And then you can deactivate it the same way as previously. So this is all. This is how you can save power in your device, how you can use power saving mode in Sharp C10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.